Hello there and welcome to this week's Granny's Garden. Now this week is going to be slightly different. I have filmed my first ever garden tour. I have done it in late November when the autumn colours were still absolutely wonderful, and I've set it to some Christmas music to be in keeping with the time of year. Now instead of releasing it onto this channel, I'm going to be releasing it onto my very, very good friend Janette Jensen from the YouTube channel The Enthusiastic Gardener. I'm going to be releasing it on her channel. So when we've finished here, you can hop over to her channel to have a look at it. Anyway, Janet and I bought each other a Christmas present, and mine is sitting on the dining room table inside and it's all wrapped up. I haven't opened it, I haven't even had a peek at it, I haven't even had a shake of it, so I've been really, really good. So Janet and I are going to have a FaceTime conversation now, and come on in and let's have a look. Right, now I'm sitting here at the dining room table and it's just perfect timing because it's just starting to rain now. I have my Christmas gift, so I'm dying to find out what's in it. I'm just waiting for Janet to call. Oh, there we go. Hello?
Hi Una. Hi, how are you?
Hi Janet, I'm lovely to hear from you, my gosh. How have you been? What are you up
I've
to?
got my Christmas elf outfit on just for you, and I've been decorating. Let's take this off. Whew. I've been decorating and getting ready for Christmas. I've done my Christmas village.
A Christmas village? Wow, gosh, that sounds wonderful. I hope you're going to show it to us. You're not just dangling a carrot in front of our noses. Shall we open the presents first? Nope. I have mine here and I haven't touched it, not even shaken it, so can't wait.
Yes, mine has arrived, Una. Thank you, I haven't looked. Would you like to go first? You go first.
Okay, me first then. Wait, I need my glasses for this. Hang on a second. I'm a disaster at opening presents. I rip all the paper. Okay, a box. How do you get into it? There we go. Hang on a second, this is most exciting. Oh, my gosh, you must be a mind reader. This is unbelievable. Hey, look at that. Wait, I'll take the little protector off the tip. It's like Aladdin's lamp, eh? But it's not. This is a little watering can with a very, very long spout. I have wanted one of these for ages and ages and ages. If you have succulents or if you have little cuttings and you don't want to get the leaves wet, you just stick it among the leaves and the water goes down below them. Oh, it is absolutely wonderful. Well, thank you so, so much, and it's absolutely wonderful. Absolute mind read you are. Wait, now it's your turn. Go on.
Okay, here goes. I have been very good and I have not even peeked, Una, I promise. Oh, I feel it's something for the garden. Oh, wow. A sweet pea gift set. And it's got all the things in it. Do you know what? I grew sweet peas last year from little plugs. Didn't do very well. And I was going, honestly, I was going to grow them from seed because, as you know, I'm getting my new greenhouse very, very soon. So I'm just seed crazy at the moment. Thank you. Thank you. And they're all mixture of colours. How lovely. Thank you, Una. Thank you.
I'm so glad you liked it. Hey, you're not going without showing us a Christmas village, eh? I love Christmas villages.
Okay, here goes, Una. I've made a little film and I've put some lovely Christmas music to it. So here goes. It took me hours.
Okay, let me put my glasses on because I don't want to miss any of it, okay? Okay, fire ahead. gosh, Janet, that is really, really lovely. And the best thing about the villages is that every year they can get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yes.
So you can warn Richard
Yes.
he's going to have to get a bigger house.
Okay, well, it has been so lovely to talk to you and to be on your channel as well. And just want to remind people to come to my channel to see your garden tour, which is beautiful video.
Okay, well, great talking to you, and thank you again so much for the Christmas present, and hopefully we'll be in contact in the new year.
Okay, take care, Una. And bye everyone on your channel. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye now.
Bye, Una.
Happy Christmas.
Mwah. Love you, bye.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Janette's Christmas village. It's really, really exciting, and it's very different from the usual just Christmas tree decorations. My husband worked for 2.5 years over in Germany, and walking around the Christmas markets and seeing all these beautiful little scenes or Christmas villages, you can really get hooked on it actually. So if she got hooked on bulb planting and seed planting, you can imagine what's going to happen with the Christmas villages, can't you? Anyway, don't forget that my first garden tour, my November garden tour, is on her channel. I will leave a link in the description below. And as for the rest, don't forget next Friday, as always, to join me in Granny's garden. Bye bye now.